Hey everybody, this is Hanno from Crack and Gate. In this video, I'm just going to show you how to remove the rear seat cowl and also the seat on 5th generation Honda VFR800 in the US markets, known as the Interceptor. So basically, I'm just going to show you. So if we move close to the bike, what we need to do to get the rear seat cowl off is you need to undo 2 bolts or screws. So on this bike, it has a Phillips head as well as a hex bolt, don't ask, long history. Once you remove those 2, then you're able to lift the seat cowl off. Pretty much lifts up and then out that way. It's got a little tang located down in here, in between these 2 parts. Don't try and pry it out because you'll break that. And then what we do is just simply lift it up in the front and it slides out. So to remove the seat, what you need is you're going to need your key, and then down here where the helmet hook is, stick your key into the hole and turn it so you open up your helmet hook like that. Then if you come around to the back part of the helmet hook, you can see in here there's a tang here. So what you do is you simply push that down and then you lift the back part of your seat up and then you slide it out towards the back end, just like this. So to take off the seat off the VFR, as I said before, you push down the lever behind the helmet hook and then lift up the back part of the seat and slide it back to the rear, and then the whole seat comes out and you're able to access underneath. Then once you've got the seat removed, then you're able to access things like the rear lights, your toolkit, as well as down in here you got your battery. So just when you go to refit your seat, just pay attention to these tangs that are on each side of the seat, as well as there's another one down here in the middle which fits under the center part of your fuel tank. So here's the inside tang with the fuel tank here. So just make sure when you put the seat in that they just sit in flush against the fuel tank like that, so they hook under the lip like that. So when refitting the seat, it's pretty much reversal as before. So you've got the tangs up the front, and then just make sure the back end fits in between the bodywork, and it should drop down like that, and then push it through, and then the back end down, just push that down, and you hear it click. So once you've got your seat refitted back on the bike and it's locked in, then simply put your seat cowl back on, reversal, so the tang in the back, and then just hinge it back down so the 2 tangs at the front fit into the recesses. Just make sure that they fit between the bodywork and the frame, so it's a snug fit, and then you can refit your bolts. So there you go, so that's how you take off the seat cowl and remove the seat to access underneath, as well as refitting the seat and putting the seat cowl back on. If you like this video, then leave a comment below. Don't forget to click subscribe, check out the other content on my channel, give a thumbs up, and also share the link. Thanks for watching, I hope this has helped you out, and we'll see you next time.